Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's vlog. Before I can get into what we're gonna do today, Ziggy is due for a veterinary visit. You ready to go to the vet, bud? I don't think he's excited about it, but we'll be right back. And just like that, we're done with the vet appointment. Ziggy didn't like it so much, did you, bud? No, he wasn't too happy with it, so we actually have to. Oh, okay. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna have to come back and visit the vet another day. They actually gave me some sedative pills to give him before his next visit. So yeah, that's how bad it was. But anyways, to what we were gonna get into today in today's vlog. So as you guys may or may not know, I had made some t-shirts for my channel a while back, and I had some left over. So I figured I'd package them up and handwrite a letter to some of my favorite YouTubers that I watch quite often. Because not only do I make videos, but I watch YouTube pretty frequently. So I got the t-shirts all packaged, ready to go. So we're gonna head over to the post office and ship them out. So let's do it. Oh, forgot to mention, you guys are probably wondering what the t-shirts look like. So if you weren't wondering, there's the t-shirt there. This is really hard to do with one hand, but oh, I'm trying to hold it up here. So this is a Boosted Bill t-shirt. I still actually have some left over, so if you guys are interested and you want a t-shirt, that'd take it's like 20 bucks a shirt. My email's in the about section. Just shoot me an email and we'll get it worked out. So let's get to the post office. Alright. Now if you're wondering who I'm sending shirts to, I'll let you know in a second. Alright. So the first, I'm sending to 4 YouTubers right now. I might send more later on, depending on if people want shirts or not. But I'm sending a shirt to Baker X Derek. He's a motor vlogger that I've been watching for a long time. I love his channel. He's got some great, he just kind of doesn't care about the YouTube rules and stuff. So he just says whatever he wants, and I think it's hilarious. I'm also sending a shirt to Street Speed 717, Nick from Guitarmageddon ZL1, and also Andy with Diablo Formula Racing. So hopefully I can get some of their, when they open their footage or open the boxes, and get some footage of that. That'd be awesome to put on here. So maybe you'll see that next. But we are arriving. We are arriving to the post office now. Get over here and drop these packages off. Alright, just got the packages sent out. So hopefully Mike, Andy, Nick, and Baker will get those packages soon. There's one more thing that I wanted to talk about today, and I wanted to go over, and it's about the Dodge. So let's get to that. So right now the Dodge is running, and let's walk to the back. If we walk to the back, right now, let's see. It might be hard to see, but the middle taillight, oh well, you know what, let me turn the lights on first, that might help. There we go. Alright, now the lights are on. So let's see, I was having issues with this rear taillight, so right now it's actually on, as you can see, but there's a little spot right here that's not working. And on occasion, let's see if we can get the light. Yep. All right, we're back. So as you can see, some of that little piece of the light's not working, and it's been getting like water into the taillight, and now the little middle section of this whole LED strip on the back is not working on, it's coming on and off. So I'm curious to see how much it would be to replace it. So I'm gonna head over to the Dodge dealership and I'm gonna get a quote, and we'll see how much this is gonna gouge my wallet. So before we get to that, comment down below and guess what you think the price to replace that middle section of the taillight is gonna be. But anyways, without further ado, let's get to the dealership. Look at all the VTEC. So much VTEC power. I'm not in the right car to give you the street speed rev under the tunnel. Maybe next time. Now, I've never been to this dealership before. This will be the first time, but we are arriving right now. Let's see, how do I get in here? Can I go in this way? Yep. So we'll see. We'll find out how much this taillight's gonna cost. Now, just to be clear, this is a 2015 Dodge Durango Limited. And of course, it has that big, wide LED taillight on the back that looks like Tron or something like that. So, like I said, leave in the comment below how much you think it's gonna cost. Let's go find out. Alright, back from the dealership. I didn't film there just out of respect for them. But, so, you guys want to know what the price is? Well, in order to replace this middle section here, hold on, car going by. In order to replace that middle section there, the part alone is $1,085. Now, that's insane. That's just crazy. And the reason it's so expensive is the only way to get the part is if you buy the tail light and the camera, the backup camera, all in one piece. So, fortunately, you got $1,085 for the part, plus $50 to $100 in labor. You're talking $1,200 just to replace a tail light. That's insane. So, I'm gonna have to go through, probably gonna have to go through insurance, maybe see if they'll cover it, because that's just crazy. That's ridiculous. Now you guys know, if you're ever in the market to buy a car, look out for the Dodge Durango, because parts are expensive. Regardless of all that being said, I still love my Dodge, my Durango, even though right now she needs to be cleaned a little bit. She's a little dirty there. Yep. Yeah. Anything in the back too. Yeah. You got Ziggy prints. And we got beer. So I'm gonna take a second, get her cleaned up. Maybe head down to Dynamic Automotive, get her washed up. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, remember, stay boosted.